Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GoPro Max and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this camera not working, if it seems to be lagging or not responding, if it's not connecting like it's supposed to, any kind of issues like that, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Just keep in mind you're going to need to set everything up again because it will all be wiped and restored to its factory default settings like it's coming out of the box new, which is the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, it's a real easy thing to do. All we need to do is with it on and everything like that, we're just going to go ahead on the main screen and swipe down to open the menu. And from the menu, we're just going to select Preferences. And then from Preferences, we'll select Reset. And then from Reset, we'll select Factory Reset. After that, we'll just need to confirm by, again, hitting Reset. Now, just keep in mind, once you hit this reset, this confirmation reset, there's no going back. Everything will be wiped off your camera. Then you can go ahead and set it up as a new camera.